visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find a video, the message is also meant to find you. Tingnan natin kung anong mga nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Ace of Pentacles. Second card is the Hierophant, and the third is the Queen of Cups. Inaantay mo sana no, na humingi ng tawad itong si person. Kaya mo naman patawarin no? Kaya mo naman siyang bigyan ng another chance. Basta makita natin yung sincere, yung apology, meron siyang pinangako na pagbabago, hindi naman nawawala yung yung iyong love no, kay person. Gusto lang natin makita na merong growth. Gusto natin makita na meron din talagang sabihin natin mga positive changes no dito sa inyong relasyon. Nakikita din natin dito with the Ace of Pentacles, kapag nakita mo itong pagbabago, I feel like medyo ibibigyan mo siya ng leeway for rooms for improvement. Basta mag-approach lang siya, no? With the Queen of Cups, clarified with the Death card and the Justice. Kasi parang sinabi mo dito, hindi mo nahahayaan na itrato mo ko uli ng ganito, no? I am just protecting myself. Siguro wala namang masama doon, no? If I am protecting myself, if I am protecting this relationship, the Justice card actually gives us this yung kumbaga, it's a win-win situation. No, not just for you, but also for me as a person. Kasi kung sa tutuusin, this relationship is a team, a tag team, di ba? Sa atin tong dalawa hindi naman isa lang yung makikinabang. You also want your person to release all the negativities and toxicities from them. Kasi nakitaan natin sila siguro din, no, na nagiging manipulative, nagkakaroon din ito ng mga chances are ito yung mga bagay na binibigay or ginagawa nila out of iti-test nila yung patience mo, titignan kung hanggang saan ka, no? You want them to remove all of those. Hindi mo naman sinabi na magpaka-perfect ka, no? Kasi even us, no, nakakagawa din tayo ng kasalanan. Pero we are aware. You want your person to be aware of what they're doing. Whether this is kung negative yan, they must have the sense of responsibility of acknowledgement and parang take the responsibility of it. Hindi yung nakagawa na ako na kumbaga ikaw na may kasalanan, ikaw pa yung galit, no? Parang hindi naman ganon. You need to apologize if you're the one who hurt the person, no? Betrayed the person's trust. With the Eight of Pentacles and the Page of Cups, medyo tinitignan natin even yung mga posts niya ngayon, no? Kung, I feel like ito dati, kapag nagkaaway kayo, pinopost yung mga baho ninyo, no? Yung mga nangyayari behind closed doors, parang sinasambulat niya. That's probably one of the toxicities that you would love them not to remove in their system. Nakikita naman natin, yes, somewhat. Ngayon medyo hindi siya ganun nagpo-post. merong pakunti-kunti pero at least hindi na ganun ka-elaborate. With the Three of Cups and the Magician, I think that you saw potential in their growth. I think that you saw potential in their changes. I think that you saw potential and have it celebrate with them. In a way na siguro somewhat ngayon, medyo tumataba yung puso mo kasi either nananahimik sila or somewhat nagpapakita sila ng emotion of remorse, gusto nilang mabago nga, no, itong course ng relationship. With the Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles, hindi ganun yung pinagdaanan mong process. Siguro, dumating ka din dun sa part na nahihiya ka, lumabas, dahil nga marami na ring bagay, no, yung mga tao sa paligid ninyo, alam ko ano yung mga nangyayari behind closed doors kasi nga medyo madaldal itong si person. With the Nine of Cups, ngayon, parang people are wondering anong nangyayari sa inyo, no? So, merong sense of mystery. The Queen of Pentacles is clarified with the Sun and the King of Wands. I think bago ito i-post, bago ito ikwento sa iba, I think si person mag-a-approach asking if you can fix the issue. No, dati kasi kapag may nangyari sa inyo, post, nalaman ng buong mundo. Post, yung galit niya, no? Kung ano-ano yung sinasabi. Ngayon malumanay, medyo diretso din siya, no, sa pakikipag-usap sa'yo. I think that the growth that you want to see from them, medyo nakikita na natin ngayon. At least, somewhat, the growth we're manifesting. At saka yung the way how they communicate with you, I feel like medyo may prangka pa din. Pero at least, hindi na ito galing sa ibang tao, hindi na kumuha ng simpatya galing sa iba. It is coming from their own. It is coming from deep within, sarili nilang pag-iisip, sarili nilang emosyon, walang impluwensya ng kahit sino. So this is your reading. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, or pwede rin itong syempre zodiac sign mo or placement ng iyong chart. I am seeing Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Virgo. I'm seeing Capricorn, Scorpio, Libra. I'm seeing, Cancer, nasabi na natin. Yan, so this is your reading. Sagittarius. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just